right, so the first thing we're going to do is actually, before we even get started cooking everything, we got to make a slurry. So what a slurry does is it actually thickens and kind of gives that glossy feel over your noodles and everything like that. So when we put this in there, it's going to reduce, it's going to get really salty, and we don't want that to get really salty. So an easy way to make it thicken and also gloss everything in there is by using some cornstarch. So we're going to do about a tablespoon of cornstarch for the entire dish, and then make sure you're using cold water. Really important. If it's hot, it'll start to thicken immediately, and then you just have this little paste. We don't want that. We want it to be kind of like a watery consistency. So we're going to put about, I would say, 4 tablespoons of water, and we're just going to stir it. And it's going to start looking kind of like milk. All right. And that's our cornstarch slurry that we're going to be using to thicken up the sauce. So we're almost ready. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the chow mein boiling, and then we're going to get started on the dish. See you in a little bit. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our noodles into the water. So we have boiling water here. There's no salt in this. Really important. We're not going to put salt in this. So we get our noodles right in there. It should take about 3 minutes. So it's good because we don't need that much time. So, high heat. We want this thing to heat up really quickly. Alright, so while that is heating up, we're going to season our chicken with a little bit of Chinese 5-spice. In here we have cinnamon, anise, fennel, ginger, clove, and celery or licorice root. Really good seasoning by a lot of Chinese food. Awesome. All right, so we're gonna go with our gloved hands because we don't want to cross-contaminate when we're doing this. We're gonna rub that in. All right, get our cooking oil. Hands nice and hot. That's good, we want that. We're gonna throw our chicken in. All right, take our glove up, make sure we put it in there. We're gonna start stirring. It's going to be really fast. We need to work fast because those noodles are going to cook in no time. Alright, so we're going to give it a toss. Alright. You can really smell the cinnamon, the anise, all of those spices. All right, we're going to throw the chicken to the side. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our mushrooms. Add a little bit more oil. Because the mushrooms are going to absorb the oil. We're going to add some mushrooms. We're going to give it another toss. All right, from there we're going to add our celery, our carrot ribbons, our red peppers, our cabbage, and our green onions. Add them all in there. And since they're thin, they're going to cook really quickly. Take our tongs. We're going to stir around our noodles. We're almost done. They're just about there. We're going to add our sauce. What that sauce is going to do is going to also start to steam, so it's going to help finish the cooking of the chicken. Add our slurry in. Help thicken. And we get another toss. Oh, we lost a little bit. It's okay. Not a big deal. Alright. So everything's pretty wilted right now. Doesn't take too long. We get our noodles. We're going to throw it right in. Turn off the water. Add our noodles in, just like that. Prohibited sauce. Here we go. There we go. All right, so really important, we need to taste this. We need to see if we need to add more soy sauce, any other seasonings. We need to make sure it's all balanced. It's pretty spot on. All right. And that's it. Chicken chow mein, totally done. Super easy, quick, less than 3 minutes. Enjoy, guys.